In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the footer on your Wix website. We'll walk through making clean, professional changes to your footer so it matches your brand and gives visitors the information they expect at the bottom of every page. Once your site is open in the Wix Editor, make sure you're looking at the page where you want to work. Most sites use a single footer across all pages, so the changes you make here typically carry over everywhere. This keeps things consistent and saves time in the long run. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page until you reach the footer area. You'll know you're there when you see the distinct section at the bottom that stays consistent across your pages. The footer is a great place for copyright text, quick links, social icons, and any must-have notices or contact shortcuts. Click anywhere inside the footer to select it. When it's selected, you'll see a bounding outline and the footer label confirming you're editing the right section. This selection makes it easy to add, arrange, or modify items without affecting the rest of your page. If you see handles, that just means you can adjust spacing within the footer to give your content some breathing room. Now, add or edit the elements you need. For text, double-click to type directly and keep it short and clear, things like your business name, a simple tagline, or a copyright line. For links, highlight the text or select a button, then set it to go to a page, an external URL, an anchor, or an email. It's a good idea to choose Open in a new tab for external sites so visitors don't lose your page. To update images or a logo, replace the image with your latest file and keep it optimized so it loads quickly. Buttons can point to key pages like Contact or Shop, and social icons can connect to your profiles. Just paste the correct URLs for each network. Use the design options to refine the look. Choose colors that match your brand and keep contrast high for readability. Adjust fonts so the text is legible and consistent with your site's headings and body styles. Set a background color or subtle image for the footer, but avoid anything too busy that competes with the content. Finally, fine-tune spacing to create a clean layout, enough padding to separate elements without making the footer overly tall. That's it. With your site open, the footer selected, elements updated, and design polished, your website's foundation will look professional and cohesive.